Sige nga, dyan ka.
No?
Ay, ganda. The cactus. Cactus yan, di ba?
Hindi.
Ay, hindi ba cactus yan? Ay, ang ganda ng flower. Sige ko. Ay, naku, kung nandito nanay ko, gustong-gusto yung banga. Ay, ang ganda pala, Jem. Gigo, ang ganda pala rito.
Ryan, what's that?
Ito ang gulnar.
What? Terrarium. It's like aquarium, but it's for garden.
Ito ang cute, oh.
Ah, the big one.
Is it hard to, to maintain?
It's not.
Oh, ganda naman dito. Para kung nature lover ka, oh. Tingnan mo yung mga banga. Oh, ang cute. Ang cute. Alin. Ah. Alin? Sige, go. Where are you going? Go to your garden, guy. Go to your garden. Yes, to your beautiful garden. Yeah.
All the kinds of cactus we have.
Ah, that is a cactus. Okay.
The cactus.
Oh, you have a beautiful garden, huh?
Yes, we have a lot of
Plants.
kinds of.
Plants. That is it indoor, ma'am?
Yeah.
Oh, I think so.
Also upstairs.
Oh.
The second floor.
Uh-huh.
But later,
Later.
let's check our order. It's so loud.
Let's check our order. My goodness. Ayan, dyan ka na.